two objects, the collective mass that here we say the collective mass of Planck black holes at the object center of mass times c squared. I will refer all this to my Planck black hole theory and my new hydrogen atom model, divided by r, which is the distance. When it comes to gravity, it becomes the r, the distance between the centers of mass, the collective mass of Planck black holes of two objects. I'll let you see this equation. And this force interaction of gravity equation is also the same force in interaction with a strong nuclear force or interaction, which is expressed as m, the mass of the hadron, in this case strong nuclear force, hadron, which is also a deployed matter wave in my theory. In my theory, Planck black hole theory, it is deployed matter wave in question times c squared divided by r. And now the r, the distance becomes not the, is the wavelength of the hadron reckoned by its radius from the center of the hydrogen atom. Planck black hole singularity. I refer all this to all three equations to my Planck black hole theory. I'll let you see this equation. However, the weak force interaction in this case cannot be expressed by the same simple equation. What I refer to as simple equation is this simple equation. This simple equation. Force is equal to mass times c squared divided by r, the distance. It cannot be expressed. The weak interaction cannot be expressed as by the same simple equation, which is different. This is different from the case of the electromagnetic force interaction, different from gravity force or interaction, also different from the strong nuclear force interaction. The weak interaction cannot be expressed in simple form. Why? What's the reason? Is because of one, the uncertainty principle of Heisenberg. In quantum mechanics, randomness is fundamental. The exact outcome of any particular run of an experiment is completely random. So an experiment has to be repeated many times and all the results aggregated to reach a statistical result. This applies to quantum particles such as muon, neutrino, tau, neutrino, electron, neutrino, lambda, sigma, omega, pi, eta, kaon, etc., all of which are involved in decays in weak interaction. That is to say, the weak interaction decays is uncertain, that is random, it's completely random. The reason number two is more is different. a large enough collection of atoms, molecules that interact with each other by one set of rules will exhibit collective behavior described by a completely different set of higher level rules. For example, an electron in a molecule compound of atom A and B, and atom B is not bound to either atom A or atom B, but to both atom A and atom B. 3. Reason number 3. All spontaneous fusions of heavy elements, that is say, and induced radiation. Both of these types of emission of radiations are probabilistic only. The source of these reasons are from a book called Breakfast with Einstein by Chad Osler, which is a 2018 edition, page 154, 155, and page 218. For this above reason 1, 2, and 3, I have only put forward, therefore I have only put forward my remarks on weak interaction in video 6, video 9, and video 14, my previous videos in this series. I have not tried to include weak interaction in the above mentioned simple form equation, that is to say, this simple form equation. So say F force is equal to mass times c squared divided by rho. I refer to this equation. Nevertheless, it is intuitive that any higher level rules are connected with and must indeed emerge from the fundamental rules. That is to say, equation 5 and equation 6 of my video 13 and equation 8 above. I refer you once more to the equation 8. This is a very important equation. Furthermore, in 1968, Sheldon Glasgow, Stephen Weinberg, and Epsilon, the three distinguished physicists, posited that the electroweak model and putting the weak interaction and the electromagnetic interaction on the same footing. And this was followed in the 1970s by the suggestion of a grand unified field theory, GUT, abbreviated as GUT, implying that the electromagnetic, the weak, and the strong interactions is a unified interaction. I believe this unification is correct without any other remarks on the. I have no remarks on the how they come to this conclusion, but I think this unification of the strong interaction, the weak interaction, and the electromagnetic interaction to be correct because why? Because I have myself shown that the electromagnetic interaction, the gravity, and the strong interactions, they can be expressed in the same simple equation above, as I just mentioned. Myself. That is I'll let you see more clearly. Insofar as myself have also found electromagnetic interaction and the gravity interaction and the strong interaction to be the same. How can I? So it's intuitive that the electroweak model is put forward by Sheldon Glasgow, Stephen Weinberg, and Saddam Salem to be correct. I have thought about commenting on the subject of the origin of the universe, that is to say, the steady state universe, the Big Bang, the cyclic universe, the multiverse, and the number 5 is the gravity as a negative energy producing positive energy. That is to say, the matter of the universe from nothing. However, on second thought, these are matters for which there is no conceivable way of definitively proving or falsifying. So I would rather not to delve with such matters in my videos. On the other hand, I present my Planck black hole theory. All along I present my Planck black hole theory and the new hydrogen atom model, including the creation cycle, that is to say how the current existing state and conditions of the universe came into being in my video 16, and my interpretation of Lao Tsz, Chinese scholar, theory in videos 17 and 19 as true scientific facts. I present my Planck black hole theory, new hydrogen atom model, my creation cycle in my video 16, and my Lao Tz theory in 17 and 19, video 19, as true scientific facts, and not just as a convenient model for working. Because they are why? Because they are observable evidences, as mentioned in my videos, as mentioned in my video 16 and video 19, and there is a conceivable way of proving or for falsifying them, as mentioned in my video 21. There are also very strong mathematical coincidences, as shown in my video 2, video 3, 4, video 4, and video 15. I myself know very clearly that this quantum gravity series, which is so very different from the contemporary mainstream models and ideas, but despite all the evidences supporting it, will not be recognized for a very, very long time, maybe decades, especially as I am not a professional physicist. I'm a retired lawyer. I'm someone who, due to keen interest in this particular subject of unified field theory of gravity and electromagnetic interaction, which Einstein consistently believed to be true, and he was still endeavoring to accomplish this unified field theory of gravity and electromagnetism as he stepped back in 1955. So I have researched, due to my keen interest in this subject. I have researched this subject in how do I research it? I researched in the public libraries of Hong Kong and Australia's physics and math section for 25 years, since 1999, as an amateur. You may ask how? How did you research? Well, I use my lawyer's instinct, lawyer's attitude towards the confirmed scientific facts, the scientific laws and theorems, the physical constants, which are published by in table form by the various the Royal Society, by the Royal Society of Chemistry, and the Institute of Physics of England. And then I came to I calculated using the physical constant, etc., to calculate, and by trials and errors. I sometimes lead to dead ends, so I have to for abundance, and sometimes I came to some new revelations. For example, is they have found that G, the Newton's constant, is just equal to Planck length divided by Planck mass times c squared. And then I know that I came to the revelation that the Coulomb's law and the Coulomb's law and the yes, Newton's law of gravity, they are actually the same equation, but expressed differently only. I came to the revelations using after my calculations, etc. And then I also came to the equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 出撈熱埋 video 19, equation number 2. Equation number 1, number 2. And from equation number 2, I came to equation number 7 of my video 21. These are my revelations. And equation number 8 here. This is the most important one. That's why I think. Actually, this expresses everything. It expresses that this equation X, expresses the electromagnetic interaction is actually 100% equal to the Newton's law of gravity. If you take some time to work it out. And also the maybe very probably is equation number 8 also expresses that the strong force interaction is actually equal to the electromagnetic interaction, and also equal to the gravitational interaction. So anyway, after this 25 years since 1999, now as an amateur, I proved Einstein's conviction in his unified field theory to be correct. I came to this using my Planck black hole theory and my new hydrogen atom model. And I think I've been doing, and so I have done something for popular science. Thank you for watching.